Now, omuye basic structure, almost say, some constitution, certain part of the constitution, you cannot touch it because the spine, the bone of the constitution, it's that means you've overthrown the constitution to come in with another one. A person elected as president shall, subject to clause 1 of this article, hold office for a term of 4 years, beginning from the date on which he is sworn in as president. So it's not easy to say Kwame Beka say wait me the maraba and you better near pass it. Kwame Jan say we are honorable. Say we the normal we are honorable. Jankwa system Kwame me na me no jankwa system.
I was fasten up your seatbelt. Now you be call law school. We a free law school. Free. Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu. On say only honor. And some baby na the twa fa ne che bo say fe do benya botra address bia only honor. Ana Kwame A-Plus, I got na UTV. I got can say, oh, Mahama Professor call Obeso declare no president for life, president forever. I am Toby Binkwana, obey me aye. And I'm heard some Mahama swear near the episode or change constitution no to go for another term, no be a third term president. Sans we na Ekosono. Afrifa, at the constitution, I bet Mahama and the Kwame A-Plus say, oh, Muntiminia constitution, is in case of Munsia there. And ye Afrifa. I bet the constitution when I said the free pass children law no. Said the free pass children law no. A river is just an asset to Ghana. No, as I catch Mahama said, constitution na Ghana for crisis say obi ed by force. As obey samrana. You tuna by no emu. Is I catch Mahama say Mahama tries for the force. A better constitution then the only very careful. You tuna memu no. Atuagu. I have Penyah block media. That's what I need. Over like a video another room. I will subscribe button, double click notification icon for latest updates. Now better the wide media mama ever comments as much as baswa. No actually video more for us to any be ashe. Eti Mahama ni brabre was set committees on your committees on your investigation to the constitution. What a former committees on your investigation into Chief Justice. Our person was suspended Chief Justice in a free hall. Edible for Benyana. The motive one. Our person to me amended the tenure in office of a president. Then it me permitting no man go for another term. As I just no, I ended it. It's a person to not be of course. No more will not call no more berry, but my said, of fact, can be as well already. And this is for the tomato margin, but I can't Ghana. It's a person for Quabi as well to me that I Ghana for near Tennis. No to me, some constitution. No to me go for another term. Am I a new crown? Kwame A-Plus, I got to UTV. I was oh, Mahama person go for to the person or Tnaso 90 billion years grana. Obetimi adaya constitution parliamentarians no omu na kire as well as say omu ensa kiraye and as omu ensa kiraye enti ade bia Mahama pese onsese no bia no de on just petition no family parliament omu 2/3 omu beto so aba omu to say de oberwen to oweni a obetu asa constitution as easy say Kwame A-Plus e come an here for our kasakra na amount for say Kwame A-Plus ade we twa bia na said because Obia will belong to the Parliament House. Mrashe Bejani legislature. Now we can say there. Would new Mranukra de Mradeka ever constitutional amendment to the constitution. We name them Radan Casa Crasa Candy. Now of us Kwame A-Plus will Chubby. But answer more Kwame A-Plus ever can ye. Any Mahama any brother professor go for another term. Any other professor or changing constitution. Every far better to say constitution crabuzia. Any easy. Say won't me for one son can any idea no constitution continue ultimately one second. Every rabbit treachery mona and some party. Wabu so as I send a threat to Mahama say or try na memuno, it be 2 to
Defanto. Now young call a mini hono. Send some be by Samia Grada, Mankabi, Samegrada, Mankabi, Code of Ethics be Mankabi. And I yes, A-Plus and so. Ebeke can near maybe Kwame the told them say who can go ahead and we are here. Nanyankopon so chenu ne ade anu achemi nua ni nua agene ne abebe bom ana aben na bom ni ase kwa wo sheda nso just as small hint hey deck na yese kwa bo A-Plus na Ghana fo ntie na fi ya ntitisa any miseducation
me ante ade bi ase matete se nkrofo se Mahama person pam chief justice se na be ya obekọ for a third term me pa cho sa de ye de mra na ye de
and look what they say government communication minister for communication honorable Felix Kwachofo so they better just no cribia sa
onokra wan kan ye Kwachofo so wan kan ye
adena nke so kan say
John Maham betumi esiki for billion terms eyemra Ghana constitution e wo dia ye media ye nyina betumi constitution no ye say wo pese wo sesa bibi wo mu afa ko ha emra ne ye troye no ye say justice soa to forwards attorney general ne judgment no otro wo mu say constitution no enye just text to say ne da he den you are why you
me dem is so honorable kan wasem me
first year kan wasem a living organism capable of growth into no constitution no e will say enyi enye say attract one and one no so if the president thinks that the term limit no emwa Ghana obe to meet the constitution na call parliament say parliament me feel say Ghana no e will say yi term limit free so udi 100 terms kwana nkofo so mpewa also what transnational development eyamra e da ho enye John Maham de hye say amra no
but for now
no John Maham on make us as ba me pese ade no ko obi atrim say nya ye dede say John Maham petete omu ye lawyer for omu nim amra ne ka amra ne say John Maham feel so pese o tena so bi mu a on famra parliament obo ba beto yen wo ho yen ne ye behwe ade no aka say okay amra no ampa ya change amra na yen say wudi
yifrim na yifrim ne ya Kwame A-Plus o kan nyina mu ni amu yawe obi yen kan sisu bia say the menu A-Plus kan yes it is true sir constitution of Ghana now then if article 1-2 that is supremacy of the constitution who read the constitution of the republic or say this constitution shall be the supreme law of Ghana and any other law found to be inconsistent shall to the extent of its inconsistency be void. That is the article 1-2 or say this is the supreme law of Ghana so oye mrebia samrano must conform with the provisions of this constitution. If any constitution mrebia be no say no constitution if bia bo ebra to the extent of any nebra bo no it shall be void. Again offer constitution enam say ye free baby ne eba na ye di history so dani project say me won say Kwame A-Plus justice soa ne famous quote o make here in the case of year 24 versus attorney general o make quote famra or say a written constitution such as ours is not an ordinary act of parliament. Then position here, let me read my Ghana follow. Position here. Or say a written constitution such as ours is not an ordinary act of parliament. It embodies the will of the people. It also mirrors their history. Ahana Kwame refuse what the bishop. So the constitution it mirrors the history of this country. History is saying. History is saying. Emrebi Bedri. Kwame Nkrumah declared who a president for life. It declared Ghana one party state. And no nam suma ku ni ade bebreba. So the constitution trying to solve that issue. And Omudi Ashem say you shall have a term of presidency 4 years for 2 terms. And the Kwame A-Plus sabe kase. John Maham betime de mraba. Ni ya pass it. No wako no aye we ya. It means you are not taking into account the history of this nation. When Kwame Nkrumah declared one party state and president for life. So John Maham yes sir. Constitution is not looking at him. It's you. It also mirrors the history account. Therefore needs to be taken of it as a landmark in the people's search for progress. So for your history, your constitution here, you need to look at the constitution as a landmark. Say your direction for the progress. And baby are you free bano. Yes, say be gyimii for na so free baby but osa ko ho abra woku. Enti edua anansidi wu ye no. Enti kuma ntenase ntonku. So Kwame A-Plus be ka say, John Maham betimi a edite mra no. Ya you obe amende mra. Na watena so a. Ye free baby ne ya ba ye hunu bi pen. And justice so ayi ne bra. Fire. Now it contains within it their aspirations and their hopes for the better and fuller life. So constitution it is not just a constitution. It contains the people's aspiration for better life. Now what was the framers of the constitution Omunim baby a free ba. Say yenya 1960 constitution, 1969 constitution, 79 constitution, 1992. And yamani bebre wo ho a we've amended them.
Precisely.
Ya yen sakraye wo mu. It will for article 21 a. Edru baby. Kwame Nkrumah fa eye ria koto. That is bafo sa ayi, bafo akoto ne eye Jebi dan kwani ade mu koto no. Na ye ni bibia under the constitution a multimede eye obi court for actor a breaching a part of the constitution. It's ye babedu in ye de kwose article 21. Say enei obia ye mra, obia ye bibi. Na say a breaching any part of the constitution. Obetimi akọ under article 21 and 130 of the constitution, which gives power to the Supreme Court. So obe make a declaration to that effect. So first of all, and then the constitution ma ho kwan ma timi ko ekoko sikise o e bia John ye bibi na ye unconstitutional. Now framers of the constitution Kwame omo pese omo so be mischief of o chena obi nsore enye de wo Kwame A-Plus oye no ye fra bibi eye basic structure doctrine. The doctrine of basic structure. Exactly. Because Justice So was saying, the constitution contains the history of the people, you know. Say even obey amend the constitution, and you be beyond abet me amend it because of the basic structure. That's our basic structure doctrine. There is a case in you can say 1973 in India. Your friend Kassan Navadando said there versus state of Bharati. Now almost your basic structure almost say constitutional. Certain part of the constitution you cannot touch it because the spine, the bone of the constitution, it's always sign and that means you've overthrown the constitution to come in with another one. So the basic structure. There is a case of David Indi versus a year Attorney General in Kenya. Tell Kenya 4 years on best constitution, constitution. The Kenyan Supreme Court declares so bet me amendia because of the basic structure doctrine. You cannot touch certain provisions in the constitution. Now your framers of the constitution, among person watching a benya se bobia na adwene no say a majority in parliament. It's one of wo ye ni ade no. Yanko Article 66. Now Yanko Hedie Eka. Now Article 66 of the Constitution. And what chapter 8 of the Constitution. Chapter 8 in the head no. And yet the executive. So anything that is said under chapter 8, now Article 66 too. A person shall not be elected to hold office of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Back Article 66(1). 66(1) on here radio. Then 66(1). So and I'm saying the framers or say a person elected as president shall, subject to clause 1 of this article, hold office for a term of 4 years, beginning from the date on which he is sworn in as president. So Article 66(1) say you to abamount say be president. Obetimi aye president for just 4 years. What is a term? Oko 66(2). You read 66(2). 66(2) say you can only be a president for Saya to Obama 4 years and only 2 terms. So 66(2) say a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Edientia Yempe Kwame Nkrumah when declare no state you can say president for life. It's watching Kwame A-Plus say John Maham betime de yina banu declare no say David Yempe sa ye history nti Yempe biokrache. You free baby nearby. You pay it on shame. Now, on the shame we are. And almost you bet me and but them need be a president. No watching us make declare me home president for life. It's a constitution on which you your free be entrenched provisions and then non-entrenched provisions. Entrenched provisions in here day. Or say yes, almost a parliament under Article 290. And what the amendment powers of a year the Supreme so bet me amended. And some person more amended any part of the constitution. Or mon pass mra amended. It will for constitution the Kenya. Over here the 527th Act of Parliament of the Republic of Ghana entitled the Constitution. So a act and a passing constitution and some amendment. It's OSHA Article 8. Article 8 first said na everyday. It is no longer the same here. It's here the act way and I amended Article 8. So by the say Article 8 of Constitution is repealed and the following is inserted. It is a read Article 8. As who say you repeal and you amended with this. Come and read this one. Okay. Now you need say Parliament will to me so to me amend. Name of yem pedia Kwame A-Plus ekano. It's yanko Article 290. Nyanko hwade
indicates them.
Entrenched provisions, non-entrenched. And a constitution is say, they are non-entrenched now. And no, they what they call parliament. Parliament bet me amended.
Precisely.
Name or the roadblocks be to home. Said the beya. Who person amended the entrenched provisions? Obebre. Chenio. So when you easy say Kwame say, your mama bet me the Maraba Parliament. They are amended and you're correct. Anya no correct. Now Danny zoom in na menchiro Ghana for there. Zoom in. I say okay, so Danny what about clause 4? Let's go to clause 1. 290 clause 1. Let's go to 290 clause 1. Let's read the clause 1, clause 2, clause 3.
Precisely.
Now 290 is going to show us the processes are open so amended entrenched provisions. And the constitution was entrenched provisions, you know. The whole of chapter 8. So OSHA Article 290 I will say amendment of entrenched provisions. Now that Danny Fameko Article 1, good. Zoom in. I say this article applies to amendment of the following provisions of the Constitution, which are in the Constitution. Okay, so then refer to as entrenched provisions. It's provisions here. Your friend entrenched provisions. And no one to mean Tamu and Parliament. Now, Osha was say, hey. The Constitution, Article 1, 2, and 3. The entire person Article 1, 2, and 3 Gina ho. No obedient me for the sanka anyhow. It's because Article 1 and I care about the supremacy of the Constitution. It's Yamakwam will be amended noa. That means obey me Article 2:1 and also the Supreme Court the power to make declarations when obey the assembly. It's Yamakwam will amended anyhow best. Article 3 I think the territorial citizenship or territorial. Let me go to Article 3. Now, already Article was say, Danny, don't zoom back. Now, I see the following. Okay, a clause 1F. I see the executive. It's Danny for second page in the Tuso. I see the executive, the whole chapter 8. So, me know because offer constitution. The whole chapter 8. Bibi account will be an entrenched provision. The term limits of the president, who qualifies to be president, who can stand for president. Now under chapter 8.
Exactly.
The presidential powers. So then be court to me final court. Now under chapter 8. And 290 say chapter 8 ni entrenched provisions.
Exactly.
It's yafe yam kwahwe kwan e fa so. Every amend this up as also entrenched provision. So it's not easy to Kwame Beka say, wait me the Maraba and you better near pass it. Kwame Janse Munu, and himself said that this answer me. Also, you know the law, so you know your mama cannot wake up and say, maybe send me the Bible to Parliament. Now, you share how or say if you want to amend a year entrenched provisions, Article 290 has provided. Or see the other kind. Says speaker no. Onya bo eba no kura so mpeso mo amende and mostly se mo ba amende mra. Ya attorney general and the free executive ne ba. Na afi processes na koso. Eti article 106 actually the processes have been go through with a year wo person pass mra. Nemo me kodu entrenched provision. Or say even speaker no ya na adwene. Na obosu kim ba ko e wo parliament wa. As we refer Marano, or say a bill for an amendment of an entrenched provision shall before Parliament proceeds. It's before the Parliament be na gene kwaso okwa Samarano. Cheniyo. Or say before Parliament proceeds to consider it. Before such as your mama no kwa be na just the Parliament. Or say it shall be referred to the by the Speaker to the Council of State for its advice, and Council of State shall render a year advice. The bill Okay, before the bill will be written. So before say speaker krabe no. Say speaker refer bill no. Yes, I didn't know person amend when change no. It's chapter 8, article 66. Say speaker they come council of state for. Na council of state for him. Now young Danny connects near council of state for him we are. At the end of Messiah. Or say council of state for him we are. Yes, or say the bill shall be published in the gazette. You can gazette agobi. Say uko Saudia. You publishing or gazette. It's a moya modern some article 66 na. Or say the bill shall be gazetted for 6 months. Or say shall not be introduced into Parliament until expiry of 6 months. I don't know yet the two or shedder. Constitution the roadblocks be two. Say moment and quarter 6 months. Because you perceive a say nipa na dia wo ye no. What gini wo ye pa kiema bre. So until 6 months. Now say expire under clause 3 we are. Yankoni yanko hwede e sa ka kire o. O say wonya ye we are. Afi kura no I say after the bill has been read the first time, after the Parliament speaker, a boss 1, 2, 3 Kim. I say after the bill has been read in Parliament, it shall not be proceeded with further. I say ready ya mukai. Parliamentarians and Mobia Fanasanka. I say it shall be submitted to a referendum. You can referendum. Mo family Ghana for no. Mo family Ghana for no. If some person Ghana for no choose say empire percent your mama etna so that you knew but say it shall be subjected to a referendum now throughout the whole Ghana and your referendum ketua bi eti wo hwe eye na no na eye nuan mo wo vote ani ade ka say emere bi on beso mo te om ho nyane eno mo ayi plebiscite ye call referendum ye tete ayi regency bi akeka ho ye call referendum na no call referendum because eye regency nti the area na affected no ana wo mo no be to aba. But this one, it affects the whole country. So the constitution is saying that you must subject it to a referendum. Precisely. For now, for young kind to us, Article 290, young kind to us. Also, they call referendum. 40% of all people eligible to vote. Omo to abe ye senka me no ka say you bear 17 million people that to abe nyemeboa Ghana. So 40% of 17 million people must turn out. It is a nipa beba to aba no. Omo ndu 40% of 17 million or 15 million unya referendum no. Now already a clause 4 na 90 clause 4 no. Was it say nipa 40% beto a 75% of the koforum beto aba no. Eso omo ka say and ye pese yes John Maham transfer. Na John Maham be 75%. More fire. Bisebio. More fire. More fire. It's okay clause 4. I say and at least 40% of the persons entitled to vote voted at the referendum. And at least 75% of the persons who voted cast their votes in favor of the person. It's 40% of the people to come and vote. It's 75% of those people. Yes, and where you framers of the constitution, because tetem na fa hin ko si ye ni so ye ni so oni wo kwan amama okro ni mo go bi right no Kwame Nkrumah no obema chen John Maham bibiri Kwame Nkrumah no obema chen John Maham bibiri ono call try say was subverting the will of the people omutu no more fire more fire what's some for no yimi ade agobi when people feel oppressed at any given point they are left with no option than to rise up. Precisely so. And why the people who feel frustrated when I when John Maham memu papa ben go over former you ade as ye kosisa no akọ president go for constitution and transfer na John Maham enti mon konkoda or try so be subverting the will of the people. We will go after him. And constitution, Emma Yakwan said, Obia or tries to overthrow the constitution. We should use any means possible to reinstate the constitution. It is a job, I'm not going to overthrow the constitution. We will use every overthrow. Yes, yes, we overthrow him. We overthrow him, and we will reinstate this constitution. Sɛ John Maham yɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔbɛ amend the constitution wei a amfa mmara kwan mu na so ɔyɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔbɛtena so a we will overthrow him yɛbɛtu n'aba yɛ gu I'm telling you no and constitution na man kwan sɛ wɔsɛ sɛ obi yɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔbɛyɛ wei a ɛneɛ use any means necessary wankyerɛ edua na abɛtumi afa hwe nipa ntirim ɛsi yɛ ma kwan na yɛnkɔ article 3 ne yɛnkɔ ready na ɔmo nka sɛ Kwame Afrifa na ahyɛ da no okay, Article 3.4. All citizens of Ghana shall have the right and duty at all times to defend this constitution and in particular to resist any person or group of persons seeking to commit any of the acts referred to in clause 3 of this article and B to do all in their power to restore this constitution after it has been suspended, overthrown or abrogated as referred to in clause 3 of this article. So constitution is said so John Maham yɛ n'adwene so obɛyɛ bibia tia constitution we should overthrow him yɛbɛ use any means why ɛdɛ nyɛ na bɛka obi a mɛma okuro nim odimi nyɛ odi ne die wi a your excellency thank you very much we shall see you another time bye bye akufo adu wie a wakɔ akɔtena se wo so wie a na akɔtena se di na Ghana fo awie obi ɛnyɛ wo ne nyansa wo me so bu a mɛmo ma Ghana yɛ sɛ America Ghana yɛ sɛ still I would do with we and I know what they are doing. What per biatna? What do you eat a we? It would have one year Berman Jobia. Bobby, it's Mungancha Kwame A-Plus. Janko Semno do. We are honorable. So when you're the normal, we are honorable. Janko Sam Kwame, and Janko Sam honorable. Street honorable. On this way, street in India. I will blame Gyae the other man for not going to it will be a send home. The one want to mean we are near Manako. Why? We on a Trump, you know, is that Trump? So they say on a Trump. I was it is saying young queen. Why? More fire. General.
It was a way free law school. Free law school near Koya. As you know, in Tia Crada, we a free law school. A free fire is just an asset to this very country. Over to my free fire. But Master, I journey a free fire crowd. Kevin tell a new quarter. When you chemu 1 million, on your one, you chemu 1 million, on your one person when you be. I journey mood talk. Every 5 mood was sense near dear. Any history, no woman. And yet, the abona quasi uncle, everyone knew my dear, would know my dear. The word of mammy ever covers and some of you became. Would just himself what the constitution of him. Into the constitution air can. Said I was on Tiasim or Uniform, a high Penyah media.